Hello and welcome. In today's session, we'll learn how to measure the time it takes for a function to execute in JavaScript. Understanding function execution time is important for debugging, performance optimization, and benchmarking. Let's get started. Let's break this down. The goal is to measure the time taken by a callback function to execute. We'll use built-in JavaScript timing methods to achieve this, and I'll show you how this works. Code starts the timer with console.time, executes the callback, and stops the timer with console.timeEnd. The elapsed time is displayed in the console and the function result is returned. Here's how the program works. You provide a function as input, the timer starts, the function executes, and then the timer stops. The elapsed time is displayed and the result of the function is returned. Here are some examples. For met.pow 2 and 10, the function returns 1024 and its execution time is displayed. Similarly, the time for math.square root of 225 is 15 ms, and for the Pythagorean calculation it is around 7.81 milliseconds. This program is versatile and can be used for testing the performance of different functions or code blocks, benchmarking for optimization during development, and debugging slow performing sections of code. To summarize, we learned how to measure the execution time of a function in JavaScript. Using this technique, you can debug, optimize, and benchmark your code for better performance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.